We're going to talk about is XRP about to break out and start to go up dramatically in this video. We're going to give you some positives and some negatives and talk about the overall state of the union in crypto right now. Actually, got a nice little lift in the crypto market today. Woke up to this. Quite frankly, cards on the table. I didn't really expect us to be up today, and I figured we were going to kind of continue in the same quagmire, like almost being in quicksand, if you will. Stuck in the last 4, 5, 6 days. That's where we've been because it felt like definitely the Bears were in control. But regardless, I think everybody's looking forward to 2025. Today is the last day of 24. Hopefully, you got some plans to spend some time with those that you care about in your life. In fact, drop in the comments below. Let me know what you're going to be doing. We are having a bunch of friends and a bunch of people over to the house tonight for a little party for the new year. Okay, so let's talk about what's going on with XRP and all the crypto markets. So we got Bitcoin up 2.9, Ethereum up 2, XRP bouncing back pretty nicely. Yesterday, we did flirt with that, that move down yesterday, and we did hit that low of $2. We did not drop below that, but we bounced back fairly decently, right? We're back up 5%. We basically have recovered the ground that we lost yesterday. Now, I expect we might see a dip below. We might see about a 10% correction here if we get any kind of volatility in the next couple of days. Tomorrow's going to be interesting. Tomorrow and the next day will kind of set the tone for the first part of obviously 2025. But remember what we've got out there in January. In January 20th, we got Trump. We got a new SEC commissioner, Paul Atkins. I think we're going to see a run up to crypto. People are going to start FOMOing in, things like that. You're going to start seeing a lot of more discussion about Bitcoin being added to the strategic reserve. A lot of major big financial institutions are coming out now talking about crypto, things of that nature, and XRP will be part of that discussion. So is XRP about to break out and start to kind of go up? Well, we've got a couple of interesting things. There has been this bearish overtone, right? This bearish outlook. But in the interim, XRP investors have been accumulating. Okay. On-chain data is showing us that there is significant XRP outflows from exchanges, indicating buying pressure. Now, remember, what does that mean? When XRP moves out from exchanges, it means that people are wanting to sit on their XRP. They're buying it and then they're sitting on it. People move crypto like Bitcoin and XRP off of exchanges. It's a signal that they're holding. It's a signal that they're standing strong. They're buying, right? And then they're holding. Okay. So the technical analysis has pointed to kind of a short-term price decline. We did experience that yesterday. Here's a different kind of view of that. We've been dealing with this kind of move down really from here to here. In the last 14 days, we've seen really, about a 20+% move down. Okay. And then from here to kind of where we're at right here in the last 7 days, 13% of that is in the last 7 days. Now, more importantly, we've got this little bounce right here where we've started to see XRP bounce back up. By the way, that is a buy alert coming in from my trading software. If you're interested in that, links are in the description below. There's a discount code down there, SP1. You can get a discount. Basically makes software about $1 a day. 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. To give you some perspective here, back when we had this nice little run, from about the 14th of November to the 3rd of December, it said, hey, it's time to buy, sell, buy, all the way up 269%. $1,000 bought here would have made you a profit of $2,698 if you'd sold it about 18 days later. Okay, that's what the software says you do. Because you when to buy, when to sell. So check it out. Take it for a test spin. You got that 30 days, no questions asked, money back guarantee. Okay, remember that. Okay. So it's really this on-chain data kind of mechanism that's interesting to me, where you might be looking at just the chart and go, oh, okay, it's kind of volatile. But no, there's been a lot of accumulation. Okay, there's been a lot of people buying and holding. I think they're getting ready for for what's coming, right? They're getting ready for what's in the near future. Well, what is in the near future? I talked about this a little bit at the top of the video. I've talked about it in some other XRP videos. I think that people are ready to be done with 24. I think that people are looking forward to 2025. If you simply look no further than, new SEC commissioner, Paul Atkins, lots of rumors and rumblings about, is he going to ultimately, dismiss the Ripple case one way or the other? This is the man who could do it. We're going to be out from under the regime, is what I call it, that was definitely anti-crypto. and that's the SEC and the government, the administration, if you will, right? So we've got that. That enough is for XRP. But then you start adding into the fact that they're talking about adding Bitcoin into the strategic reserves, and all the positive momentum we've got now, kind of with this pro crypto administration moving in. That's enough, right? There's a lot of discussion about minimum we could see Bitcoin probably go to 185,000 in this between now and kind of beginning of October, November, kind of that Q4 timeframe. If that happens, you're going to see XRP go to north of $10. I mean, bottom line. And even the bears in the room agree that we are at the precipice at the beginning. We're just getting started. We've had a couple of little, two-step forward, one-step back scenarios in the fourth quarter of this year. But regardless, I think we are now kind of free for takeoff, if you will, for a pretty significant crypto bull run that's going to positively impact Bitcoin, Ethereum. You see Bitcoin 185,000. I think we'll see Ethereum go 6,000-7,000. We'll see XRP probably go to at least $8, $9, $10. We'll see all the other major assets and major cryptos, all the blue chips, all the top altcoins go up as well. Okay. So with that, just wanted to kind of give you guys some thoughts. I mean, yeah, I think XRP is about to break out. I think it's about to start taking off. I think we'll start to see that as we get into January and get a real feel. But that end of January, January 20th, is a date that everybody knows about. The new SEC commissioner, Paul Atkins, the Trump administration taking office, the executive orders he's going to sign on day one. I think we'll see a run up into that. People getting excited about this new administration and the new era for crypto. And it's going to be fun. So I'll see you. Take care.